Hello, Kelly. This is Jason with Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my phone call earlier and allowing me to send you this video. What we're going to talk about in the video today are 3 quick and easy ways we can drive more traffic to your website. The 3 things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. When we talk about content, we're talking about everything that's visible on your homepage. The words, the pictures, the links, how the pictures are saved, the things behind the pictures and images. And what you're going to want to have is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page. What this does for you is allows Google to verify you as an expert in your field. It allows you to explain exactly what you can do for your customers. And lastly, almost more importantly, it allows you to incorporate all those keywords that your customers might be searching for. When I look at your guys' site, it looks as though you have 300 words of content on your front page, and then so you're going to want to beef that up again, 1,500 to 2,000 words. On these secondary pages here, you're going to want to have 500 to 750 words of content. This again helps Google rank you and allows your customers to find you through the incorporation of those keywords. Next thing we're going to talk about is citations. And what a citation is your name, address, and phone number in directories on the web. Let's have a look here under Plumbing Virginia Beach. So here we have what we call a map pack, and this is the top 3 on the map using citations. So how you get in here is you have anywhere from 200 to 300 citations throughout the web on different directories. Directories like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, or the Yellow Pages. And this will help you be conveniently located on the front page where many customers can find you easily and click to your website, get directions, get your phone number, and it's very convenient. I use it myself when I'm searching for local services. I'm sure other people do as well. The last thing we want to talk about is backlinks. And a backlink is a website that sends a link back to your website, therefore driving indirect traffic back to you. And as you can see here, you have only 7 referring domains giving you 8 backlinks. That's only giving you hits for 27 keywords, which is driving 0 traffic to your website. So it's not really working for you right now. If you have a look at a competitor in the area, this is Norfolk Plumbing Inc. They have 89 referring domains, sending 1,000 backlinks back to their website, allowing them to hit on 892 keywords, and that's bringing 159 people every month to their website. This is approximately worth $4,300 extra per month. I'm sure you could use an extra $4,300 in revenue every month. So this is pretty easy to hit on. What we do is we go in here and look at someone like Norfolk Plumber Inc. and we see their domains and we see their backlinks and see which ones are working well, and we grab them and we refer them back to your site, and then you can start reaping the benefits of that as well. So that's all I have for you this evening. I hope you found value in the content. If you have any questions, concerns, or would like to speak further, please give me a call or an email. I'd love to hear from you soon. Thank you and have a good evening.